Peace, y'all. It's December 18, Friday the 18th, and we got all the welding done. Everything's welded up solid. Looks good. As you can see, we got a little gap there, so we're going to be up off the floor tray until we get in it. I added a third piece of bar stock or flat stock across there to tie that all in. And you know, when I did that bit in that last video, I saw how flexible that was. I figured, what the hell, I got it. Let's go ahead and weld it in. So good to go. We left our slip fit joints here and here. Everything else is welded up solid. I did go ahead and metal finish down where the 3/4 tubing over top of that. If I remember, that 5/8 goes all the way into this elbow, all the way over. So it's good. We're good to go there. Just took it out back in the yard here real quick. Borrowed Brother Rich. Appreciate it, Rich. Borrowed Brother Rich's little portable sandblaster. It had just about enough sand to make a mess. It ain't no big deal. I mean, you know, a couple of rainstorms, some snow, it'll be gone. Right? I'll go out there and just whip it around with the snow shovel. But I was just trying to get inside this bearing hanger here, and I got 99.9% of the paint or powder coat, whatever it was, that wouldn't come out of there. I got it off just barely, and there's like nothing left for aggregate left in there. I mean, nothing. So, I mean, there was only probably maybe a quart container worth of sand in there to begin with, you know. But hey, appreciate it, Brother Rich. That got it done. So we're ready to go. We'll hang some plastic here probably tomorrow. We ain't gonna do it today. But I think what we're going to do is just box ourselves in right here, just so no overspray gets up top. We got some new tires up there for Sherry's car and some other stuff up there, yard stuff. So we don't want to get overspray all up in there. We'll just hang it. We'll just, we'll staple it all up and make us a little box right here just to do the chassis and eventually the tanks and probably my new helmet too. No big deal. We can always just pull it over and, run a piece of string or rope or whatever to hold it out of our way when we're not using it. No biggie. But just wanted to show you we're ready for getting her prepped up. Once we get a box in the garage, we'll get her we'll get that catalyzed primer on it, the urethane primer on it, and that'll give us a little bit to even maybe run over it with some 320 or something just to scuff it down, and run over top of any metal finishing we didn't go 10/10ths with, But for the most part, I think she's ready to go. So that's that. That's she's ready for paint. So that's what we'll call this one. Zip Kart update. But she's ready for primer and paint. I got something crazy coming with the paint too. So. Hey, RPM, it's a fashion show out there, and it's gonna be. Got motivated and busted out the old F-125, but that's for the next video. Shh. God bless y'all. We're hanging. We'll be hanging this bad boy up in another day and getting some primer and some color on this thing. Until then, we'll bring you another video right after this one. Talk to y'all.